If you're brand new to cloud storage, this beginner's guide to Microsoft OneDrive will walk you through everything you need to know to get started quickly and confidently. OneDrive is Microsoft's online storage service, and it makes it easy to upload your files, organize your documents, access them from anywhere, and share them with other people in just a few clicks. So, if you've ever wanted a simple way to keep your files backed up and available across devices, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next walkthrough. Alright, let's start with the basics. First, open your web browser and go to OneDrive Web. Once the page loads, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you already use Outlook, Hotmail, Xbox, or any Microsoft service, you can use that same account here. After signing in, you'll land on your OneDrive dashboard, which is where all of your files and folders will live. Now let's upload files, because that's usually the first thing most people want to do. At the top of the OneDrive page, click Upload. You'll see options for files or folder. If you just want to add a few documents, pictures, or videos, choose Files. If you want to upload an entire collection at once, choose Folder instead. After that, browse your computer and select the file or files you want to upload. Once you confirm your selection, OneDrive will begin uploading them automatically. Just wait for the upload to finish before moving on. Next, let's talk about creating folders, which is a great way to stay organized. On the OneDrive homepage, click New, then click Folder. Type in a name for your folder, something clear and easy to remember, like work documents, school files, or family photos. Then click Create. Your new folder will appear right away, and you can start moving or uploading files into it to keep everything neat and easy to find. If you want to open a file stored in OneDrive, go to My Files. This is where all your uploaded content is listed. Simply double-click the file you want to view, and OneDrive will open it for you. Depending on the file type, it may open directly in the browser or launch a Microsoft app if needed. This makes it easy to check documents without downloading them first. Now let's cover downloading files. If you need a copy of something saved on your computer, select the file or folder you want, then click Download. OneDrive will create a downloadable version, so you can keep it offline, share it another way, or move it to a different device. This is especially useful if you need access when you don't have internet. Sharing is one of the biggest reasons people use OneDrive, and it's very straightforward. To share a file or folder, select it first, then click Share. OneDrive will give you a link you can copy and send to someone else. You can paste that link into an email, message, or chat, and the other person can open it depending on the permissions you choose. This is a fast way to collaborate without sending huge attachments. Finally, let's go over deleting files. If you no longer need something, select the file and click Delete. The item will move to the recycle bin instead of being removed permanently right away. That gives you a chance to recover it if you change your mind. If you want to free up more storage later, you can empty the recycle bin to permanently remove deleted items. And that's it. Now you know the essential OneDrive basics for beginners. You've learned how to sign in, upload files, create folders, open documents, download content, share items, and delete files safely. Once you get comfortable with these steps, OneDrive becomes a really useful tool for organizing your digital life and keeping everything synced in one place. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.